Tyson Lund with the LundTeam in the backyard of this beautiful home in Rancho Carrillo in Carlsbad, 6378 Paseo Descanso. We're so fortunate to be able to work with the owners on this property. We want to encourage you to come in and see it for yourself. This is a very, very special home. It sits on a corner lot with just ideal sunlight in this oversized lot that you have, so you have privacy. Very nicely maintained by the owners, and you have just a blank palette, and if you wanted to take it to the next level with a pool, gazebo, etc. The inside is beautifully improved. You have hardwood floors. The ideal floor plan with a full bedroom, downstairs bedroom suite. You have a beautiful floor plan upstairs with ample bedrooms. You have 4 suites, upstairs laundry, everything you could possibly want in a floor plan. They talk about right now in this market about the right-sized homes. Homes that give you everything you could possibly need through the generation, the home that you don't need to move from. This would be it. You have this beautiful chef's kitchen. The beautiful wood cabinetry with the built-in, almost like new appliances within the property, and everything done for you. And you have this big island kitchen that opens up to the great room, family room, so you can host and entertain. For this type of a property, it's all about location. It's all about the walking trails that are here in Rancho Carrillo. Right down the street, you can access, I believe it's about 4 miles plus of walking trails within Rancho Carrillo. The community center is in with walking distance. Rancho Carrillo itself has a year-round social calendar. There's a lot of things that connect the overall community and the residents, and you're just a short distance to the Bressi Ranch Shopping Center, the Algo Norte Swim Complex, a few miles to the beach, just out of the fog belt, perfect weather year-round, and award-winning schools. So if you are searching out there in the area, I want you to come consider this section of Rancho Carrillo, which you'll find is so well appointed, the right size houses, and this particular property being the corner lot, and in this position, I think just offers so much. Please come visit us at LundTeam.com, see some pictures, let's schedule a tour, give us your questions, call us today, 760-438-0800. We look forward to showing you this wonderful home, new home in Rancho Carrillo.